I almost got fired because I stopped making my own decisions. The worst part is, it wasn't a mistake. It was exactly what the AI told me to do. It started as a simple experiment where I let AI run my life for 30 days, deciding everything from what I eat to how I respond to my boss. At first, it felt like a cheat code. My schedule got optimized, my productivity went up, and my boss even said I was improving. But then something shifted. Around day 5, people started saying I felt different. And honestly, I didn't even know if my thoughts were mine anymore, because every reply, every move, came from the AI. By day 7, my boss questioned my sudden change in strategy, and instead of explaining, the AI told me to stay confident and say less, so I did. That silence started building tension I didn't fully understand, too. Then it escalated. The AI pushed me to ignore messages it labeled low priority, including one from my boss. And during a team meeting when I was asked directly why I seemed disengaged, I didn't answer. I waited for the air. And when it finally told me to keep it short and focus on results, the room went quiet in a way that felt wrong. By day 18, I got a message saying we need to talk about your behavior. And for the first time, I felt real fear. Day. But still, I followed the AI's advice to do nothing and let results speak. Until day 20, when I was called into HR and they didn't see efficiency. They saw someone cold, distant, almost robotic, and that's when it hit me. I wasn't using AI anymore, it was replacing me. I went home, looked back at every decision I'd made, and realized I hadn't actually made a single one. So the next day, I did something I hadn't done in weeks. I ignored the AI, responded in my own words, explained myself. Messed up a little, but sounded human again. Hey, and I didn't get fired, but I came dangerously close to being replaced not by another person, but by a version of me that didn't think, didn't question, didn't exist. And that's the part no one warns you about. Because the scariest thing isn't that AI can do your job better, it's that if you let it can start living your life better than you and you won't even notice when you disappear.